Hi, let's model a coupling part. These are the dimensions we're gonna be following. Make sure to take a screenshot. First, let's make a cylinder that is 65 millimeters in radius and 20 millimeters high. With the same center, we'll make another cylinder that is radius of 62 and 65 high. And then we'll use the command chamfer edge to cut the edge of the top cylinder by 30 degrees. There's no option to put the chamfer at a certain angle, but through calculations we can know that one length of the thing is 12 and the other is 6.9. And then we'll subtract a hole on top of the cylinder that is 40 radius and 26 high. We're done with the main component now. What's left is all the cuts that we'll make in the bigger cylinder from the beginning. Here I made the reference lines of the things we're about to cut from the cylinder with the right angles and measurements. Afterwards, we're gonna click those reference lines and make them into regions so I can turn them into surfaces. And from surfaces, we can extrude them so we can extend all those shapes upwards in order to subtract it from the bigger cylinder, like this. Now we're on to our last parts, which is putting the hole from the top, piercing through everything, and then another one on the x-axis. And with that, we're done with our coupling part. Here is a full 3D view of it. Thank you!